Hello and welcome. Today I'm at Caravan Salon. I've got this really nice Mercedes campervan to show you. Taklamakan 4x4 XL 7-meter off-road campervan. 235,000. I'll tell you the price straight up. But as you can see, it says there meet make. That means say meet me, sorry, not meet, it means rent me, and so you can rent for just under 200 euros a day. And as I always say, don't buy a camper van, rent it first, see if you like it. This vehicle is fully loaded. It's got huge amounts of possibilities of the way you can actually lay it out with fabrics and colors and everything. So a very original design from Innova Road Trip from the Netherlands. So to start off with, I shall show you the tent in the roof, and this is one of the options. So you've got windows there on either side, window at the front. It also comes with a ladder, which I took out the way so I can actually have more room to show you what you've got. Here, it's a modular system. There isn't a forward-facing bench. There are automotive seats. 2 are here, and for me, I just have one. But there's also the possibility of having another, because we've got these rails down here, and that will allow us, therefore, to have 5 passengers in the vehicle if that is what is required. Right, here we've got the same sort of kitchen that you've seen possibly in other videos I've done from them, but this time it's now longer. The surface, there's a choice of colors. It doesn't have to be this color. And in here we've got, that is also used for a table. So we have a smaller round table, if that also is what's required in the front position rather than the large one you can see now. I'll put this back like that. It's quite heavy, to be honest. There we go, goes in there. A lot of space here for food preparation. Here we've got Thetford induction. There is a 5 kilowatt battery from EcoFlow in this vehicle, although other possibilities could also be used. So 1.3 and 1, or is it, no, it's 1.3 and 1 kilowatt there on the electricity. If you want to be more traditional, have gas, you can also do that. And on that very subject, heating is either Webasto or Truma, so lots of choice on that one. Got the fridge down here. That's a normal sort of two-way fridge, as you can see. And right, let's go in here and have a look in the bathroom. All right, toilet there, and there's the sink. You can have a fixed sink, you can have a drop-down sink, you can have no sink. I like a fixed sink myself, but that's me. A lot of space in the toilet. Now this is a Mercedes, which is quite difficult to actually build with, so that's always worth remembering. There's a big mirror here, so you can see that. You can see me, but you can only see me if I'm in the van, so you'll probably see yourself if you're in the van. This cupboard here can go on one side, or it can go on the other, depending on what the buyer specifies, and the type of toilet that goes in here can also be specified by the buyer. And right, so on here as well, we've got a little bit of storage in there. So there's a sort of a wardrobe, and there's storage below it as well. Oh, and you also get storage boxes as an option to put under the chair. Drawers down here, proper drawers with proper sides. Note, it's not Heimer here, which doesn't bother with such things. And let's come towards the back. Now this is really original. This is the only company that has this type of rear. So we've got the table here, which can drop down at a lower position, so you can make the bed absolutely enormous. You've got the cushions here, which would help that to do that. Or failing that, of course, you can sit in this position as I'm doing right now. And you'll notice the the way the cupboards are recessed around. This one here has got the Truma in. There's also down here a electrical point, if I can get it to come, drops down from here. I'm trying to get them to drop down. Oh, there they go. And there's also USBs there as well. Right, so put that back up, and cupboards around there. You've also got this skylight up there. There's a window at that side, windows in the doors, and a bit of storage sort of thing on that side. Excuse me, sorry, I'm talking all day, so this is the sort of thing that happens when I'm doing videos. Light up there, and so we'll go back. Indirect lighting in the floor. Now, I said there was a possibility of a fifth seat. In this case, it's down here, and you can see on the runners, they're very easy to fit in. I mean, it's the same system that's used by many companies as far as these runners are concerned. Right, I don't think the code will work on this, but there you go. You could give it a go. I'll give you a link as well for where you can actually rent it. So, coming to the back, got this enormous amount of space here. Now, if you went for gas, the gas cupboard would be this one here. As there's no gas here, it's not being used as such. But lots of storage space here at the back, and of course you can move the sorry, the mattresses around if required. You can put it to one side or something like that. I'm sorry, I've got a tickly throat. There's a desert service wheel up there. Oh, don't know what's happened, so I'm gonna have to finish the video before long and get something to drink. Now, I know it is a little on the expensive side, but I mean, in any case, you should rent it before actually looking to buy something like this. They've got other vehicles here. Everything's based on the Mercedes Sprinter, as you can see. I'll translate what the slogan they've used over there. A yacht on wheels, under 6 meters long, with lengthwise beds. The beds you saw here are 2 meters in length, so that should accommodate tall people. I know occasionally people are taller than that, but that's quite long as far as a lengthwise bed is concerned. I'm sorry for the coughing fit I had then, and unfortunately these things do happen, and that's the way it is. I upload every day at 21:15, and I'm now beginning to upload 1800 hours as well. So if you're interested in this type of thing, then you might want to subscribe. But for the moment, from me in Dusseldorf, Germany, thanks for watching, and bye for now.